screen. Can you see everything okay?
No.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see.
Now, yes. It's as usual process of 2 minutes, of course. So, as you understand, we have two founders, me, Svetlana, and Leslie Khan. So, and you know that it is great collaboration because here we presented Ukraine, Turkey, Poland, Portugal, yes, and Italy. Here presented
right.
special of this meeting. It's fantastic. It's really great and so sunny. And the main idea was, of course, and the title of our project is Special Flight Traditional Express Invites. So, and you're welcome on our first partners meeting. It is so sunny and it's so positive, helpful. Very thank you for this. And I'm sure that together we can explore the world together with our students, of course. And the main idea is that we are making some virtual trip, but as you see, the pages, yes, we have some months that we are going some common and together activities, and only 4 months some special, yes, land representatives and also their interesting journey. So, as you try, but oh, I see your avatars, especially with ChatGPT. It was also great. And I also want to say, but welcome to our project. And you see two main yes, flight leaders, and we are happy that you are together with us. And it will be really interesting, and I hope that very interesting and but positive I can see about this.
Yes.
It's great. It's great, really.
It's
So,
great.
And as we see this September, but I told about, yes, September, October are mostly flexible, yes, this activities, that's don't worry about this. And of course, this I also add this presentation, I uploaded it to TwinSpace. And pay attention of parents' permission. And it's great that you begin to do it. Yes, and what concerning the forms of parents' permission, if you want, we can do some maybe the same, but it will be in English. But I know that it is more easy, convenient to you, especially to have maybe in your languages, yes, because it is maybe more useful for your parents to understand. But you know what concerning is safety, protection, it is very important, and also for evaluation. Is what concerning is safety and etiquette and some rules. You see superhero avatars, safety rules. It will be collaborated product. Yes, and I propose to do it together with students. Yes, they it can be some workshop how to use our hero avatar. They are such special and very simple and without no registration online tool. And so at last we can create these rules, yes, connected with e-safety. And for students, it will be very interesting, and for us too, because it is also a very big, great collaboration. And by the way, we also can do as you see also that we have some special dates. It of course e-safety day, yes, in oh my God. In February. In February, it will be, of course, as online party. Why not? Use of technology. You also see that here we can share your favorite tools, maybe some new tools. And if you like, we can also make some workshops to use them. All about us. Yes, you see that we are on the map. It is Padlet. And thank you. You begin to feel it, yes, and to find your location. And it's great. Teachers Air Crew. You know that it is a teacher's introduction, and it's fantastic that you discuss everything, what's up, asks, and also some different. But as you see example at the beginning, it was created with Avatoon app. Very simple concerning the phone, but of course you can use everything. And I like very much some variants of GPT. Yes, you are very big profi of writing prompts. It's great. But what is the aim? Yes, Neslihan and me are the captain, as the captains of this flight, and you are our super creative and great uh, crew.
Crew.
Yes, air crew. What about roles? You can choose everything. Maybe you are the assistants. Maybe you want to be a flight leader. Why not? It's about you. Yes, your choice. And a list of passengers, it will be, of course, our students. And here we can also use maybe some avatars if they like, yes. How do you think? It also will be great for them. And maybe we like this list using Canva or something else. And also, for example, not so big, but maybe passengers from Turkey, yes, on the boat, for example, and avatars and only names. Why not? Or passengers from Italy, passengers from Ukraine, passengers from Poland. And it will be also some interesting, I think, for students also. And also like a role player, a big role player too. What about, of course, school introductions? It can be presentations or videos. If you like, yes. Our countries, our places. It also connected some words. Yes, maybe it's also share some pictures and Padlet or GPT. Digipad, I'm sorry, everything changes now, Digipad or so on. And as you see, collaboration, and one of the very oblique task nowadays, yes, collaboration will be great because I also maybe ask Neslihan or me to create this contact Google Doc, okay, where you write your name, your school, your email, your phone, that we can do everything and add you and to have something exchanging. And the next doc that we can create these days, task distribution. Because you can see a lot of different activities and you can make your choice. Yes, and if you like, choose what you would like to prepare or what you be in also in organization or so on, of course, because it's also our collaboration in such a way concerning these tasks. And mixed country teams, yes, and you see there will be residents of lands. So in such a way, one from you see the 4 months, but we do it monthly, more closely to that process, and maybe with we have online meeting together with other passengers, I mean students, and in some games and also with help of random wheel or Plica, we choose and make these mixtures. I mean, which country or which comment or which team will be presented. But only I would propose here when we begin to work in mixed country, to have maybe only, yes, different countries are presented in everything, not only Ukraine or only Turkey, because you when you look through the activities on this, yes, on them only 5 points. Yes, the first peer meeting. So when you're together, not pair meeting, but your team meeting is it? Yes, discuss the activity for everyone and some activities that you are going to create and present, of course. So in such a way, we will be great. Not only some collaboration asynchronical activities, yes, but also some online meeting, of course, holidays, parties for our students. So that's why what concerning online meetings, so I promise it will be several of them exactly. And so what concerning special dates, you see that they are separate in our pages that you can find them there very, very quickly. Special dates, it's winning day, but it is not in September, yes? You know that it was celebrated usually in May together with Europe Day. But I don't know, maybe this situation, what about your countries? Because I know our NSO says that now Itwin is integrated into Erasmus, and that's why they are not now they are not such a separate Itwin day. So they told me that they are days of Erasmus and days of Itwin together. As I don't mistaken, yes, it is. From 11 till 18 of
Yeah,
October.
from 13 to 18th.
Yeah.
Songül, orada mısın?
Evet, buradayım.
Bu e-twinning günü kesin Eylül ayında olduğunu biliyorlar mı?
Mayıs'ta olduğunu söyledi ama işte bizde
Evet.
farklı olduğunu da belirtti. Onlar da Mayıs'taymış, bizde.
Bizde de Mayıs ayında. Hani bu sene değişiklik mi var?
In Turkey we celebrate e-twinning day on May 2.
Oh, it's like
Is there
yes, it's stay. So that's why so we can try maybe in different country, and so it's okay because we can in such we can use and use some months and do it of course together. That's why. Yes, but
farklı, diğer ülkelerde farklı olabiliyormuş.
Ha, o zaman biz hepimiz kendi günümüzde kutlayalım. Hani ülke olarak hangi gün e-twinning günüyse onu kutlayalım. Olur
Every
mu?
country can every country celebrate on their day or at the same time?
I know
What
that
about
before
this,
we had the
Svetlana?
same before we had the same time. It was 9th of May, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, but I know it exactly was celebrated in May. And oh, that's why these changes are also surprise for me. That's why I
It's
write.
on the 9th of May, I guess.
Mhm.
19
Efendim
Mayıs
hocam?
diyorlar.
Tam 9'unda olmalı hocam. It must be on the 9th of May. The exact date for the world.
Mhm. So that's why the date is also flexible. Yes, we can decide it together what it will be, what month it will be.
Beraber karar veririz diyor tarihine.
Mhm.
Okay.
But you see that here we will be present the phrase we celebrated Twinning Day together, and such very interesting tool, Labs Google, because of so funny, interesting letters we can create it together. So e-safety day, oh, it's lucky it is the same stable date. Not the same stable, but I know the second Tuesday of February every year. Yes, it's and Earth Day is also the same date.
Yeah.
It's great.
Great.
And European Day. So we can also combine, why not, Twinning Day and European Day as traditional we'll do it before, yes?
E-twinning, September.
Oh, you can also to think about
Okay.
it. Mhm. So the next, what concerning months activity? Yes, October, you see, they are not so much because we try to do September and October together, yes, because they are flexible. And we have a first online meeting for all. How do you think? Maybe we will do it in the end of October, or maybe it is at the beginning of November. Yes, because it is also connected with some holidays. Yes, for example, in Ukraine, we have the last week of October, we have holidays, autumn holidays, and maybe we can change if you like. Yeah, so maybe we make it.
Bizde 10 Kasım o tarihleri söylesene bizdeki tatil tarihlerini.
Our school holiday is 10th of November.
So they are also different. So
Mhm.
that's why we can do everything. Maybe in the middle of October. Maybe.
Yes, Ekim'in ortası olabilir diyor Nesna.
Olur. Okay.
Mhm.
Yes, it can be in the middle of
So
October.
only simple, yes, only to they can say some words about their country, about themselves, only as nice to meet you. Yes, meeting. Nice to meet you, meeting. as you can say about this, yes. And you're welcome on our boat in such a way. So, because not so long and it will be first, yes, but then, of course, we have some parties and so on. And video hello unites us. So maybe one representative from a country. Yes, it may be one
Svetlana,
student.
sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry to interrupt you. I told you I'm a chatterbox, but also my brain is working. But I have two suggestions, two ideas. First, about the first online meeting, maybe our students can say hello, okay, nice to meet you, and maybe they can, because I think they are going to be so satisfied to see other friends from other countries. So they all of them would like to talk at the same time. So maybe we can ask our students to sing one part of a very famous song we all, brother, are you sleeping, Brother John? But in your own language. So, for example, one part Polish version, one part Ukrainian version, one part Turkish, Portuguese, and so on and so on. So maybe as to say, and it will be our cooperative work at the same time.
Maybe, maybe.
We sing the same. So this is the first idea. The second idea is about avatars. Maybe we can ask our students to write some words about their appearance. For example, about hair, eyes, mouth, nose, okay, big mouth, small ears, and etc. And for example, students of other school can do an avatar by their idea. So, I mean, for example, my students write descriptions of themselves. And for example, your students draw pictures of my students. Do you know what I mean?
Yes, I understand. Yes,
It's one of the ideas. So this is next cooperative work. So we can prove that all of our project tasks are done cooperatively, that students don't do alone and parallelly, that own way, okay? Each country own way. No, we can mix, for example, group, or even we can mix, we can divide our students into group of 5 or group of 3, okay? And each of the group prepare other picture, other photo. We can use, for example, traditional crayons or colored pencils, or the computer, Avatoon or something else. I'm really sorry to interrupt you, just my ideas.
Thank
I
you.
don't know what you mean.
No, avatars is concerning also you see the passenger list, yes, only. But yeah, I can see your ideas. We can maybe to maybe not about the person of some student, but maybe it will be interesting when you work also in pair and mixed teams. Some words about country and draw a country as a portrait. It will be maybe more interesting in such a way. So portrait of our countries, but as you say,
Fantastic.
so I fix it because так. But it's of course in such a way it will be also interesting. And for this we also can use drawing, simple drawing, or as you say, Padlet, that they have it's very simplest for this aim. For example, when you draw something, yes, you have two variants. with she or any she instrument, but it's also interesting and also make also like a gallery then. And guess what country is it? At last, what portrait of country is it? Okay. It was my ideas firstly for code big, but I like it. It will be more interesting as a result. Yes. And what about code week activities? This year it is, oh, it is also, yes, in October 11, 15th, as I'm not mistaken. How do you think about this? Maybe we make also different, yes, different tools, different coding. Maybe we also can a special flight traditional express invite. So maybe they are not maybe portraits of other countries here, but maybe other bright colors or other bright flags or so on. How do you think?
Şu an Songül tam olarak ne istedi? Sesi.
Kod Week haftasında nasıl bir şey yapalım diyor. Ülkelerle ilgili bir portre mi yani ya
Hı
da
hı.
onlarla ilgili bir şey nasıl bir şey yapalım diye soruyor.
Genel
11 Ekim'de dedi
evet
galiba.
evet 11 Ekim'de
Hı
Codewiki ile
hı.
ilgili kodlama etkinliği, bağımsız kodlama, yani kağıtla kodlama etkinliği yapılabilir mi?
Can we do independent codes with papers or without paper? Neslihan kağıtsız mı dedi?
Bağımsız kodlama.
Independent codes. She says, can we do it? Independent codes.
E, Ya da ona ne diyor? Harflerle Codewiki oluşturabiliriz. Hepimiz birer harf tasarlayarak. Bu basit bir
Or
etkinlik.
maybe we can do it with letters. All of we say different letters and create something like this.
So it's with letters, as usual, yes? Decoding. Decoding messages or decoding letters, yes. You this understand? No, I mean, maybe we can create two, so it's okay. It's November, it's traditional creating logos, yes, and voting for the best project logo, as usual. Project poster. It can be like a collaborative work, for example, Canva and so on. When one country created some element, another adds something, then another adds something, and we have at the last some unexpected result. So it's also collaborated.
Hı hı. Birlikte hazırlayalım diyor posteri, değil mi?
Evet,
Tamam.
herkes bir şey ekler. En
Okey.
sonunda bir şey oluşur diyor.
Hı hı.
So the next you see December holidays land. So you wishes in different languages, and it's also our collaborative work video. Yes, when we only say some wishes for celebrating, yes, winter holidays, some special wishes, maybe as in general in your for example, some wish says in your language and in English. And then we also say something wish for in English and in Ukrainian. And in such a way, we have some interesting video of dictionary, yes, dictionary video of different languages. That's why wishes in different languages. It also will be great. But of course, we can also then to try to we also can change and be more challengeable, yes. For example, we have such as when we should say in English, and for example my students, yes, then in Turkish or in Polish or Italian language, so they're also for them challenge yes, to repeat. So we have two variations here. Celebration time in our schools and places. Yes, it's a winter period, I mean. Yes, it's maybe also share some photos or collages, maybe some cards they like. Oh, I see the mistake. Yeah, oh my God. New Year card. E-card. No, it is not mistake. It's my teacher's mind. A New Year e-cards Padlet. Yes, when you create their interesting, yes, New Year cards and share in together with help of Padlet and so on. Of course, it will be some winter party. Yes, because I know maybe in some country. But what concerning Tokyo? New Year, you celebrated New Year, yes? You also have some traditions.
Yes, we
Yes.
celebrate it.
So that it will be New Year party. Yes, it's name Christmas, but it may be mostly New Year party because it's also interesting to combine different, yes, activities and different traditions, and our children know more. Why not? And here also you see as a random wheel. What does it mean for the next? Yes. What concerning tree of wishes and predictions? So it will be our surprise maybe
Yes.
from me and Nestle Khan. Yes. What we will do, we decide then. It's our will be surprise. Yes. How do you see it? And then beginning January. So that is the
Orada
first point of our big
bir sürpriz hazırlayacağız.
big journey, yes? Gamesland. And you see holidays, family traditions. And this, I mean, it's New Year's also, yes, it may be photo collages also. How do you spend their winter holidays? Countries pair meetings. You see two countries present their countries, of course. That's why I mean that they should be different, yes? For Ukraine and Turkey, Italian, I don't Turkey or Ukraine, and so on. Because they present their countries and, oh my God, and create one online game about winter games and travels. Only in such a way. And countries postcards. It's, you see, it will be Canva journal or album. As a result, together, yes, created such country postcards. Oh my God, what's happened with my internet? Yes. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Because I see that my internet is unstable now. Так.
No, it's okay.
It's okay, no
In
problem.
Poland, it's okay. We can hear you.
Thank you very much. But it's
Can hear.
normal for online activities and for online lessons. Yes, we have different. Так. And what concerning also, yes, there that I saw
By the end
different.
of the day, they are all
Mhm. And here you see February, March, and April are mostly worked in mixed groups. And you see that one team, they invited another travelers. Yes, they are the residents of land. They think about their emblem or flag of land and activities for all. And of course, then as usual, online meeting where they presented their work, maybe play with these games or activities they were created. Much is the same, but Sportland, yes, as in the main topic is sport. And the April ethnic caution city, yes, about traditional maybe recipes and so on. So what are they free, you see, because the content, yes, dependent of their residents of this land who will be working these mixed teams. And May and June, as usual, it is traditional. It's our special flight traditional express zone with Suno created, yes, but maybe we can do another way that students' collaboration will be give. Maybe then we sing or perform some parts of this song. A farewell party and reflection ticket. So reflection ticket, of course, it is about impressions, about thoughts, about feelings about the project they participated, and of course, our certificates. And one of the important way, of course, it is project service and evaluation. You know, it will be pre-service and final service. And I also propose to make such evaluation linear. Так, what's
Songül, sorry. Songül, bu biletleri uçuşların başında yapsak mı, hazırlasak mı? Her uçuşun
Evet.
başında bilet hazırlasak mı?
Görüntüm yok ama
Ses
görüntüm.
geliyor.
Tamam. Can we prepare the tickets on the beginning of the neyin başında dedin
Her
Nisan?
uçuşun başında, her etkinliğin başında.
On the beginning of the flight, can we prepare the tickets?
So as I get to the board? Yes, we can if you like. Why not? We can do everything.
Öğrenciler
Evet,
için de
yapabiliriz
eğlenceli olur.
diyoruz ama.
Nereye
Belki-
uçuyoruz? Bu ay nereye uçuyoruz?
It can be entertaining for the students too. They wonder where will we go.
Yes, so for some
Arslan,
special guest, yes, for this express special travel, yes, maybe. And yes, I understand it is extras, entrance ticket,
Yes.
and this what concerning the final ticket as mostly as reflection. Yes, maybe it is the reflection map. We can everything, or the reflection card. But yes, of course. And it's also the result of our traveling. We can do it, yes, picture map. And of course, we will present our project and some social accounts, school websites, and so on. It is traditional and usual, but you see that face group is created, but somebody is not presented as Facebook. Don't worry. If you are not in Facebook, you can share or we of course share everything on TwinSpace and Facebook. We can duplicate. Yes, that's why we only remind us, please, because we are teachers. Sometimes we can forget about this. Yes, remind us, and we add your works also on this group on Facebook. It's no problem, really. But as dissemination is also great. So, and our project final outcomes, traveler's notebook guidebook. Yes, it is what concerning your working mixed group especially, yes. Monthly, what some bright moments of this, of our journey. Yes, and here that we created during the project is a special Fry Traditional Express zone. But as say Gosha, I hope it's correct. Yes.
Perfect.
I think that that we have no such problems because we have not such problems when we use Sonobus. As your bad experience as a previous, we can perform some parts with students this song, for example. Why not? And also it is
I like, sorry to interrupt you again. I like the idea of preparing the tickets at the beginning of the project. I really like the idea because students can introduce themselves.
Yes.
Okay?
tickets.
And we can treat the ticket as, for example, entrance to on board, okay? Ticket. So that's a great idea, I think. And students can introduce themselves at the same time.
So of course they also add something. It also can be used for their list of passengers. Why not? With a special, so it's a unique ticket for special flight travelers and so on. Yes, but maybe somebody is a volunteer to create this, to realize
Special
it.
Flight Traditional Express invites air hava yolları, airway. Good idea.
I can try to prepare such ticket, you know, and prepare, for example, a Padlet. Okay, but I need. So when would you like? When would you like me to do? I don't know. Maybe in 1 week
Yes, why not?
or later. When would you like to get the ticket to prepare? Okay, so maybe till the end of next week. Okay, so maybe till the 5th of October.
Yes,
Okay,
and after that we can do this online party, yes, and with together
yes,
with it.
exactly. Yes, yes.
And to get these tickets. But forget
Yes, we can. And for example, next week, so till the 5th of October, I'm trying to prepare the tickets. Okay. And then next week, our children, I mean students, can prepare their information about themselves. And then after the 12th of October, we can arrange, okay, the meeting.
Mhm.
Because the 1st of November is free, is a holiday in Poland.
Yes. I think we can do it after 20 because oh my God, we have the last week of October. That's why we can do it. Why not? Так. So it's very great. And what concerning echo messages in the bottles, it's connected with the Earth Day. Yes, it's also we can use the Canva templates. Why not? Or who has the ability to use different bottles as making from the not paper, but maybe as bags, plastics bags, and so on. Or maybe some echo messages. Yes, the main idea, echo messages. So I know as we are online that we will be prepared together, with help of Canva and maybe as a bottle or so on. But it can be, of course, free. Yes, echo messages, your echo messages. And wishes in different languages. It was also connected and discussed before. But it's very great concerning the tickets. So, and you also at last week we can have a lot of collaborating of creative works that are together, and also we add something I knew that's the ideas and feeling and copy them, but in such a way I hope it will be interesting for you. Yes, it's also the example variant. Yes, it was created with other tunes and also as examples, but and we also create then also poster of your great avatars. And I like that you use different, yes, your AI, artificial intelligence, as we say, and the different tools. It's great. So, and in such a way, I also have that many thanks for joining our special flight, Traditional Express in White. And I see that it should be great collaboration and creative result of everything because you're really grateful. You really, I'm so happy and appreciate to meet and know every of you. It's very great, as I said beginning, that you are smiling and positive girls, and you are, because positiveness and beauty can save this world, I am sure. And hope we have a great collaboration and have a fantastic results in the end, with beautiful memories, wonderful memories in this project. And you'll find everything clear on pages on TwinSpace. And of course, don't be ashamed and ask and share your ideas, discuss everything in forums on TwinSpace. Yes, and also in WhatsApp. You'll find everything clear. Don't hesitate to ask what you want to learn, please. And remember, together we are really great team. Welcome on board. Let's make our fantastic travel together and enjoy.
Yes.
So I stop
Uh,
in this moment.
Thank you,
That's-
Svitlana. I wish this flight was real. And you did a great job on the project. Very, very, very fantastic. I like this project.
It's,
Thank you.
but it's only draft, yes. Together we really great do everything, and it will be great project, of
Yes.
course. Mhm. And thank you that you with us too. And I'm very happy that we can work together. Yes, and especially and Tatiana. I'm sorry that I forgot to do it at the beginning. Oh my God, I begin to remember who will with us at this project. Of it's very great. And
He
thank you.
was
that
on board. And
Yes,
you
yes,
were-
yes. That's why you have no chance not to be with us at this moment.
Mhm.
So that's all
Uh,
for this. Maybe what are you do you have some questions maybe also? But I like ideas also. Yes. And I understand that we are also not only very creative, sunny and positive, but we're not only creative, we are crazy creative girls.
Crazy girls.
Okay, but I would like to ask about the Code Week you mentioned. So, what are you going to prepare for coding?
Hmm.
Is it the country portrait or maybe flags?
Yes, maybe with this idea with country pro, how do you think, by the way? You can also vote for this. Maybe with this idea with portrait of countries, yes, or countries portrait as combined together, as you say, yes, and mixed collaborative work, yes, drawing and prompts from students.
Mhm.
And maybe also to make some fantastic flags. And so maybe to create their unique flags for our flight, why not? How do you think?
Songül. Songül
And
orada mısın?
Buradayım.
yes, and
Buradayım,
here
buradayım.
Ne
you
istedi?
İşte Kodvik haftasında ne yapalım diyor, bu ülkelerle ilgili
Ha,
bir portre ya da bayraklarla bir kombine şeklinde bir şey olabilir dedi.
bayraklarla.
Hı hı.
Kodvik. Kodvik. Onu düşünelim. Biraz düşünelim onu ve forum Twin Space'te forum kısmında bunun üzerine konuşalım.
yes, it was concerning forum.
She
don't
says,
mention,
let's
yes.
think about the Kodvik, then chat on the Twin Space. Maybe we can share different ideas
Okay.
then.
Yes, I agree with you. And by the way, forum is very important. For us is all very
Yes.
important for Twin Space. That's why you can free, yes, each month, each weeks, and you
Yes.
like, and maybe also add students hours and what concerning the students you see?
Okay. And how old are your students? Svetlana, how old are your students?
My students
Eight.
are sixth grade. They about 10, 11, such way.
Okay.
8, 10.
Our students are fourth grade students, about 9, 10 years old.
Mm-hmm. My students are the third graders, so they are 9. Because in Poland we start school at when the children are 7 years old. Okay, so this is the first class, and then the third they are 9, and some of them are 10 because they have birthday at the beginning of the year, so they are 9, 10. So
Concerning Ukraine, we have different age, yes. So there, our students can go some 6, someone 7, someone 8, and now and also 9. Yeah, so different range. That's why
okay,
they are
Victoria,
so-
and your Okay, sorry, Victoria, and your students, how old are they?
I'm just thinking about what students should I take? Maybe the my fourth graders, they are 9 and 8 and 9 years, because the eighth graders, they're too big, 14, 13. Okay.
Okay, Elisabetta.
My students are 8 years old.
Oh, fantastic.
Fatima, what about your students?
Well, in my case, I will work with my year four students. They are 9, 10 years old.
Wow. Anju?
My students are fifth graders, so they are 10, 11. So almost the same age. They don't differ too much from each other. Even between 3 and 5th, it's not so much gap.
Yes, I agree with
That's
you.
perfect. Tatiana, and your
Great.
students?
My students are 10, 11 years old.
Mhm.
Great.
It's really
They are
great.
very creative. They are very active. And I think we will do everything perfect.
Great.